Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In the last tutorial we learned how to connect your Google Ads account with Adtunez and start seeing regular updates and metrics for your running campaigns. Today I will show you how to link new ad account or unlink an old ad account from Adtunez. Well, suppose you get access to a new ad account and you want to link it with Adtunez, or if you want to unlink an old ad account from Adtunez, or if you have access to a wrong Google ad account. Make sure you stay till the end of this video because you will learn exactly what you need to do in such scenarios. But before we begin the tutorial, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe. We are going to publish a series of videos that will guide you to various features you can use in this app and optimize your ad campaigns seriously. Let's begin without any further ado. Let me show you how to unlink your ad account first. So to unlink an ad account, you simply need to visit the accounts section from the left sidebar of your screen. This is your left sidebar. Click on the second option named account. Here, directly find the ad account name from the table that is present here. You can see all the ad accounts that are present under your Gmail ID that you have access to. Find the ad account that you want to unlink from here, and suppose this is the ad account that I want to unlink. Directly go to the last column. Simply click on the unlink option present in the blue color on the last column, and from here just press on confirm, and this ad account will be unlinked from your ID, from your Adtunez ID. So this is the most easiest way to unlink any ad account from your Adtunez profile. Now in case that you need to link a new Google ad account or relink an old ad account that you unlinked by mistake, you must find the blue button labeled link new account at the top right corner of your screen. Upon clicking this button, link new account, you can see the Gmail account linked with Adtunez. Here are the Gmail accounts that are linked with my Adtunez profile. So select the Gmail account that has access to that particular ad account you want to relink. This is the Gmail account that has that access. So I'll go there, and if you have many ad account, use the search bar to find your ad account and click on the blue button labeled link. Here are the blue button labeled link. If you cannot find the ad account that you want to link, you can use this search bar and type in the ad account that you want to link again. Here I found this, and I can directly click on link, and it would be relinked in there. See, here it is. So yeah, you can use this option to both link and unlink your any ad account. Now in case you cannot find the ad account you want to link with Adtunez, we have one solution. You can click on the resync button present right next to the search bar. Here is this resync button. It is in essence a refresh button for Adtunez. It refreshes the list of ad account under your Gmail ID. After refreshing, you can search for your ad account and link it by pressing the blue link button. So this is how you unlink or relink an ad account on Adtunez. I hope you learned something valuable. Now if you want to check how to connect your Google ad account with Adtunez, that video is right here. Please like and subscribe to our channel and share this video with people who will be using this ad optimization tool. If you have any doubts or questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section down below. I will personally ensure to answer all of your queries. And finally, thanks for watching this video till here. Goodbye, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.